Again, that is not the bone of contention. My bone of contention this morning is about those celebrities. Celebrities with misplaced priorities. No wonder the politicians, no wonder the president's wife said, Mrs. Tinubu, she said then, she said even if the government are not helping, people that have the money, they should help people around them. They should support people around them. What's the reason?
Upload. Update.
They've seen it all. If somebody like Bobrisky can come out of prison, mind you, he did not lose anything. Because this is the Bobrisky that will come online and tell us he's mommy of Lagos. He will buy everybody in Nigeria. He told us he has 4 houses in Lekki. He told us he's rich than anybody. That his man friend, his boyfriend, is paying him back to back. This is the guy that will come online to rob his money to faces of suffering Nigerians. Am I communicating? Now, that Bobrisky was now arrested and detained. He was now released. And these British, they don't know where to spend their money. You know what? They like competition. And they like when people see them and talk about them. In this hard time in Nigeria, even we that we are living here, we are suffering it because many of them, we are helping them. But all these celebrities with their misplaced priority, some of them gave Bobrisky 4 million, 3 million, 6 million, 10 million, 2.5 million, 200,000. I was disappointed. When people around you, even on their streets, we can see people that are hungry. All these Nigerian celebrities, please can you tag them? Come over here, I want to have a word with you. And you're Lori Buku. Now they will tell me, do you want to tell people how to spend their money? Exactly, it's not my money. But let me now tell you, in this country, in America, United Kingdom, America, all these celebrities, they come out in once or twice in a year. I cannot remember now. They do the Red Nose Day. If you can, they do Red Nose Day. The celebrities come together. They donate heavily. They donate heavily with that Red Nose Day to support people in need, to donate to the hospitals, to support people that are lacking. Please, people in abroad, can you confirm that for me? Go and Google it. Red Nose Day. The celebrities come together. They give out heavily. They donate heavily. They support all the charity organizations in the United Kingdom. Same thing happens in America. And your Lori Buku celebrity in Nigeria, both English and Yoruba. All you want to do is chase clouds. All you want to do is rub all this into the faces of the less privileged. The people that cannot feed. What have you done to your society? I'm asking you. What have you guys done? And you forget that many of these people you are robbing this to, many of these people you are not even helping. They are the ones that are supporting you. And they are the ones watching your YouTube. They are the ones making you rich. Just say you know. And you Lori Buku celebrity. People are hungry. Many people in the diaspora is affecting us. We are not hungry here, but we have to support. Either you support your family, you support your neighbors, you support your friends, you support some people you don't even know. But here are the celebrity donating to Mommy of Lagos. That is always coming online and telling us she's richer than everybody. She has 10 houses in Lekki. She will buy everybody in Nigeria. Are you for real, British? Are you for real? Okay, you don't want to do something together. I can testify that many people will be on your streets that needs this help. You can give scholarship. Fine, you will say if you give scholarship, if they go to school, there's no job, accepted. Why can't you call people in your community? Empower them. Give them something to do. Everything's not supposed to be the government. The government don't want to help. But we can help each other. I'm always saying it. If the governments are not helping, many of us are rich. Facebook had made many people rich in that Nigeria. Everybody is on social media. They are using their social media to make a hell of money. Don't you see what this guy did? What's his name? I love that guy. I love that guy. What that guy had done within the short period he started what he's doing. Within the short period. What is his name? That guy that says no. Not the man that sang that song. Boboto ma she. Brain Jota, God bless you. Look at that guy. What many of them have not done for years. Brain Jota did it in the space of 5 years. When you are talking now, many of them will tell you, oh, we do it because we don't show it. Show it. Encourage people, they don't do it. We do it, but we don't show it. Thank you. Donate to the teaching hospital. Empower people in your community. If each of you, tell your way, if you are building, supporting, it will be lesser poverty in Nigeria. It will be lesser hungry in Nigeria. All they want to do is cook one rubbish plate of rice and start giving. Shani kan won Naija wa jẹun ko yin e yo lórí burúkú celebrity. E ri le nle eko kete lo ko hostel kan owó ipo lọ́wọ́ yin now. You have this money. Come on now. Owó ipo now. Kete lo ko ilé kan ke fa won homeless sisi. Give them scholarship. Give them scholarship. Empower them. 1 million. You can give them 1 million. Let them go and start. Check them after 6 months and see what they have done with the 1 million. They can start business in Nigeria with 1 million. 500,000. Makeup business can start. I used to watch one lady on social media, Facebook. I don't know her name now. One dark lady. She has gone to every market to show you where you can buy hair in bulk to sell. She has gone to makeup markets. She has gone to bag markets. Empower these people. There will be lesser crime. There will be lesser crime in Nigeria. Paramount, thank you. She has showed you with 1 million you can start a business. And you lori buku yeye briti. Tolongo ni fire fun. Te ni kure. And these are the people that are supporting you and watching your things. But yes, ewa ma se rice. What is someone Nigerians to do? Abolonjeku for food only. Toba je ni talking not to fe je lola. And you pack almost 100 million. You donated it to Bobrisky. Emma risky kulojo aye yini. And then to disappoint me you. Funke Akindele. So you are a snake under the green grass. I used to think oh, Funke, I'm disappointed in you. And when they will come out now, they'll tell you, we do it, but we don't show it. Show it. You are a celebrity. Every celebrity, what they do here, they show it. Show it. Look at, show it. Show it. Please. Show it. You can imagine. It is Funke. Lara, you are going to be blocked now. You are going to be blocked. I will block you. It is Funke that disappointed me most. Thank you. Vocational skills. Come together. Teach them how to bake cake. Teach them how to bake some things. All of you are making money. It is these youths, these people that are jobless. They are the one watching you. They are the one, making you have this money. Because they don't have anything to do. You will see them on social media in the midnight, in the morning, in the night. Watching you, commenting, they are enriching your pocket. But you cannot give back. Shame on you people. Celebrities. Shame on you. You are now donating 100 million to Bobrisky. To Bobrisky. Misplaced priority, Bani. Funke Akindele. You are the highest gross end. So Funke, if you had want your deputy governor, ṣáwọn gay náà, àwọn tó ń ṣe gay àbí kí ni máa pè sìn, àwọn tó ń pààrọ̀ aṣọ látọkùnrin sóbìnrin, àwọn ló máa empower because nǹkan tí Funke ṣe yẹn, ó ti jẹ́ ká mọ èèyàn tó jẹ́. In that is Funke even close to Bobrisky? Let's start. Let's look at it this way. A gbọ́ àwọn tó súnmọ́ Bobrisky, àwọn tó jọ̀rẹ̀ Bobrisky. I have never seen Bobrisky. She donated. Funke donated 2.5 million. 2.5 million. Now, me ti rí Funke kó súnmọ́ Bobrisky rí. Ẹjọ́ yín tẹ́ ń wò mí. Ṣé Funke àti Bobrisky close? Funke wá mú 2.5 million. Taba ma son si ẹ gbọ́, wọ́n máa help wọn show ẹ ni. Àdìkẹ́ bá wa show ẹ. Ṣé gbogbo àwọn ọkùnrin tó donate yẹn, èmi mọ̀ pé àwọn customer Bobrisky ni. Wọ́n jọ ń jẹ sí ara wọn ni. So ọ̀rọ̀ wọn ò jọ mí lójú. Now, ẹ wá mọ̀ nǹkan tó bí mi nínú jù. Ẹ mọ eré kan tí Bobrisky ṣe ń gbà kan. Tó fún láwọ́d tí gbogbo wọn pariwo. Hypocrite làwọn èèyàn. Wọ́n lè donate owó fún yìí ṣe ṣì ń sìn. Ṣùgbọ́n ìgbà tó gbé owó fún ẹ lè sọ̀rọ̀. Thank you. Funke is not close to Bobrisky. So why giving that money? Ṣé ìyá Bobrisky kú ni? Ṣé Bobrisky need owó for help ni? No, let's talk. Let's talk. I'm disappointed in her because she's Eniola Ajawo. Yeah, thank you. She's close to Bobrisky because film Eniola Ajawo ni Bobrisky ṣe tofi ó ṣe Tonlo fi mú lọ sí prison isn't it? So Eniola Ajawo can donate. Àbí kò yé yín, àwọn tí Bobrisky ti lọ sí nǹkan wọn tó ti fún èmi ò mọ gbogbo wọn, but I know Funke Akindele is not close to Bobrisky. I've never seen them together. I've never seen Bobrisky going to Funke's thing. I've never seen Funke going to Bobrisky's thing. Funke fún ní 2.5 million. Mo mọ̀ pé wá sọ pé ṣé mi mo lówó mi. F off. Èmi kan mo lówó, but ìyà ń jẹ àwọn èèyàn. Ìyà ń jẹ wọ́n gan. Imagine 2 bar of yam, 5,000 naira. Báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ gé? Àwọn èèyàn wọn ò lè fi ẹran sí oúnjẹ mọ́. Ẹja tó cheap jù wọn ò lè jẹ mọ́. Ebi ń pa àwọn èèyàn sunkún. Ẹ jẹ 100 million fún Bobrisky. I was pained. Funke, o make billions of naira ní iṣẹ́ tó ṣe tán yìí. Àwọn tálíkà yìí ló ń wò yín tí gbogbo yín bá ń show ara yín when you are showing yourself in your cinema when your film is out. Bí ìrí olówó kankan bẹ̀ àfàwọn ọ̀rẹ́ yín tó bá support yín. Àwọn tó manage out of what they are managing, they will take some 4,000, 5,000 to come and watch your movie. But you cannot give back. You are giving back to your mates, to people that are they've already had it. You are wicked. Nigerian celebrities, you are wicked. You are wicked. That's why I don't celebrate any of you. Being fans in me, your life is not worthy of emulation. You like competitions. You like show off. You like chasing clout. Bring daughter wherever you are. God bless you. It is sad. It is sad. It is this less privilege. They are the ones enriching your pockets. Tó bá gbé film sórí YouTube ń sìn. Àwọn ọmọ tí ò níṣẹ́ yìí, àwọn ìyá tí ò níṣẹ́ yìí, they are the ones that will rush there to go and watch. Just to, wọ́n fẹ́ gbé depression kúrò lára, ìrònú wọ́n fẹ́ gbé kúrò lára. Tó lórin kan bá jáde ń sìn àwọn ló máa wò. Olówó máa lé owó ni, kówó yẹn lè pọ̀ sí. So this Bobrisky that you are donating to, Abiko Yeyin, yeah, when he bought it might be cheaper. Mama Patuti one thing. This Bobrisky you are donating to, he will use money to buy 2.5 million wig. He will use money to buy bag. What is the essence? Just to chase clouds. Just to say yes. I mean of donate from Bobrisky. They raised 100 million within a twinkle of an eye. Within a twinkle of an eye. Let me tell you what God listens to. That's why sometimes when I see people, it is the love you have for your neighbor. God will look at that before looking at your service to him. This country I am, many of their churches, they've sold it out. They've turned it to beer parlor. They've turned it to hotel. They've turned it to residential. But along back, do you know why? Because they help each other. They love each other genuinely. Not fake love. Not love because of what they want to get. They support people in need. They support their people, the disability people. They support people that are not working. You will never see anybody lack in this country. So far you have your papers. Even if you don't have papers and the social service are involved in your case, you will leave. I have a family that came from Nigeria. She's a student. The husband depended on her. When they came, all the money they brought, They use it for accommodation. She came with pregnancy. She had this baby. In the hospital, they were going to her. They wanted to donate, giving her things. That is what God asks from us. Love your neighbor as yourself. Support people in need. Not supporting people that are not in need. Bobrisky is not in need. Bobrisky is not lacking. Bobrisky no ma show wa pé òun ra oúnjẹ 1 year sílé. Òun nìkan ló ń gbé nínú ilé àtàwọn ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ méjì. But I show you 100 tubers of yam, 10 bags of rice. I show you Malta Guinness, 100 crates. And you think Bobrisky need help? All these celebrities. Ìtọrẹ àánú tẹ́ ṣe fún Bobrisky yẹn kò lọ sọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run, kò ní ọrẹ nínú. Ṣé rí Bobrisky lọ tọ́jú yẹn. Ẹ rí èrè ẹ̀ nínú ayé wọn. Because it is sad. Not even at this time tí ebi ń pa àwọn èèyàn wọ́n ń ṣá ilẹ̀ jẹ.